Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank card to WeChat using the VXN Pay wallet option that helps foreigners to pay abroad using their original cards that they made in their countries. So what you need to do is to simply click on Please Tap Me, that they have an option in their application. Then click on Pay and Services, and in the wallet option tap on bank cards, and then you will see an addition button or a line of add a bank card to enter the process of filing, and you just simply enter. That's the button to enter a new bank card. Then after doing that, and you will need to review the VXN Pay user service agreement, and then simply tap on I agree, and just follow the page operations to fill in or check the identity information. So just simply fill the card's credentials manually, all the security number, and just simply continue to tap next and add a bank card and follow the prompts to complete open the wallet. So this is how you can easily do it. And yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.